cushion levers really so take this off that bore out the hole for I've got a different shock so that I can make up a new bearing housing which is work on the lathe. This is it. So it fits into the new shock. The new shock's a lot heftier. Drops in there fairly nice. I'm tacking this in place with a bolt just to hold it roughly halfway in and out of the cushion arm, and then I take out the bolt and I weld the thing up. It's wider than it needs to be, so I don't have to get it exactly half and half. The new shock is narrower than the old shock. The eye in the shock is narrower, and the hole in the middle is smaller than it's going to be, because if I was to get it the right size, the welding might distort it and I wouldn't have a round hole at the end of the welding process. So this isn't actually welding, this is TIG brazing, which is pretty good, and it flows better into narrow spaces. So rather than try and do full penetration on that chunky bit of steel, which might damage the other bearings, I really don't want the whole thing to get too hot. So TIG brazing better. And lo and behold, here we are. These are the wrong bolts, but this bearing and this bearing were fine. It was just this one that was gone. So this is a lot stiffer than the original spring, so I may have to change the spring in there, but it's pretty much a new shock absorber, so I think we'll go with that.